All right, guys, listen, I don't mind having e-estate as my side hustle for those of you that want to take e-estate as their side hustle. Now, some people have progressed from being side hustle to being the main hustle, right? The main source of income for them is now e-estate. So, however you want to take e-estate, it does not really matter to me. What matters to me is you are a member of e-estate. That's what matters. So you can call it your side hustle, you can call it your whatever you want to call it, right? It doesn't matter. What matters is you are in e-estate. Because if e-estate has been around for the past 10 years, let's assume that e-estate has been around for the past 10 years. Imagine the consistency that you are going to get for 10 years, right? I don't think you will call that side hustle anymore, right? But now, e-estate just made 1 year, okay? They just did their 1 year anniversary in Washington, D.C., and already the rental income contribution for only 2025 is surpassing over $1 million. As you can see from there, that is $1.2 million, guys. So if you have a platform that you are taking as your side hustle that has distributed 1.2 million in rental income, then you are in the right side hustle business, right? Now, remember what we are doing in e-estate. We are doing tokenized real estate. That's what we are doing. And right here on the screen, you will see the big difference between the traditional real estate versus the tokenized real estate. Okay, so again, in e-estate, it is fractional ownership, owning smaller amounts of the real estate. But in the traditional real estate, you will need to purchase the full property. But in e-estate, we don't have to do that. They are telling you that you can come in with small money and purchase a small fraction, okay, a small portion of that property rent to earn rental income. That is where this rental income contribution or distribution comes from, right? So this to me is massive to everybody watching this video, right? So again, what we are doing in e-estate, to put it in a very, very simple term, is we are purchasing fraction, small portion of a full real estate. Okay? And then we earn from the rental income that is coming from that property for that particular portion that we have purchased, right? It's different from the traditional real estate where they need you to purchase the whole property with a deposit of probably 10%, 20%, 15%, 5%, depending on the state you are or depending on the country you are located. But in e-estate, they are only giving you this to start with as little as $10. So, guys, for somebody that is doing a side hustle and your side hustle is producing up to 7.8%, you can see it on my calculator there, right? For somebody that is in e-estate and we're able to purchase fractions of this real estate that is listed here. Now remember, okay, don't get confused. Don't say e-estate is making me 7.8% with only one property. No, it's a combination of all of this property. That is what is giving you this percentage that you are looking at. You can see the addition there, 0.33% plus 0.42% plus 0.42% plus 0.49%. So you can use your calculator basically to add all of this, right? And then that will give you the total of this. So for somebody that is taking e-estate as side hustle and the person is earning this kind of money, right? Guys, your side hustle is good. Your side hustle is good. So guys, if you are watching this video and you have not signed up for e-estate, the link to do so is below this video description. And as I said, I don't care the name you are going to call e-estate, whether it is your side hustle or your main source of income, or you are just going to be playing with it. But as long as you are a member and you have purchased one or two fractional real estate in e-estate, you will be able to earn daily and you will be able to withdraw daily. This is one of the best side hustle that you will have if you are calling e-estate side hustle. That's fine, that's okay, right? So guys, this is me. I just thought I should share this opportunity with you guys once more to let you know that the platform is still very consistent and they are still very reliable, and they are awesome platform where you are going to be able to earn passively 5 days a week, 0.3 to 1% daily, and you'll be able to withdraw daily as well. And the registration to join e-estate is very simple. It's just one single page registration where you enter your personal details and then you click to register, and then once you register, you will now be welcome into your dashboard. On your dashboard, you will be required to perform what is called KYC. So KYC is know your customer, and it's a process whereby you are required to upload your government ID card like your passport or driver's license, and then do a selfie. Once you do the selfie, the system will now check and verify all the information you've submitted, and once you pass that stage, you will now be given the opportunity to deposit the amount of money that you want to use to start the platform, and then you will also be able to from there purchase the fraction of your property. Now the link to do everything I have just described is below this video description. All the links, they are there. If you look and check this video description below, you will see all the links: how to register, how to deposit, how to complete your KYC, how to purchase your fractional real estate. All the links are there. The videos are no more than 5 minutes, maybe top 10 minutes. If you watch each of them, follow all the steps, you will be able to register smoothly, and you will be able to do everything I have just described. But if you are struggling, please make sure to contact me on my Facebook Messenger, my Telegram, or on my WhatsApp. Okay, for you to contact me on my Facebook, you need to go to my YouTube channel profile page. You will see the link for you to contact me. I am on TikTok, I am on Instagram, I am everywhere. Okay, just look for Passive Income Lifestyle. You will be able to contact me, reach out to me for help if you need help. But if you follow all my videos, I don't think you will need any help to get started. But of course, you will still need to contact me anyway, because I need to add you to my private social media groups so that you will be getting up-to-date information. So guys, thank you very much. Once more, the link to join is below this video description. I look forward to seeing you guys in my team. Thank you and God bless.